introduce Jim Lake, SeaWorld San Diego's park president, to kick off the event. Jim?
Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm really excited to be here today with you, our park guests, with our ambassadors, and we have some special guests here today as well. Mayor of San Diego, Todd Gloria. Kevin Sheeperdecker, Chief Sales Officer for the San Diego Tourism Authority. And Katie Cross from Penguins International.
All right.
This attraction is a long time coming, and we know our fans are extremely excited. Ready to ride California's tallest, longest, fastest floorless dive coaster. In addition to the ride being amazing, I've heard from some of our cast members and some of our employees that this is an immediate fan favorite. You're in for a thrill. Imagine taking a diving plunge, 90-degree drop over 60 miles an hour with inversions and curves throughout the entire attraction. Being SeaWorld, though, there's also a very important connection with this ride between an animal that you can visit here at the park. That animal is the emperor penguin.
Oh, hey, look at the penguin!
It's modeled after the emperor penguin because of the dive capabilities of that penguin. And it's really important that we have a focus on the penguin awareness and the conservation efforts, and you're going to hear a little bit more about that here in just a moment. But first, I'd like to bring up Mayor Todd Gloria to address the group.
All right.
Jim, thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. I'm getting a small sense of this is a really fired up crowd that is excited about I am too. Thank you so much, Jim. Thank you to SeaWorld. What a great day for this iconic San Diego attraction to be able to launch this wonderful new ride. I'm sure it will be an unforgettable experience. Now I want to remind you all, this new ride is bringing us national attention to our great city. And it's just one more reason for families to come visit us right here in America's finest city. You know, I should probably, like a lot of you, I was fortunate enough to be born here in San Diego, grow up in San Diego, hometown boy. I grew up just right up the street, right up in Claremont. And I know, as a native San Diegan and now as a proud uncle of some little ones, I know this attraction isn't just for tourists, it's for locals too, am I right? We're pretty excited about it. Now, aside from providing fun for locals and tourists alike, let's not forget that SeaWorld also provides our community with a whole lot of jobs for San Diegans. And that's something I think we can all support. Today is just as another sign that our community is finally able to move forward and move past the pandemic. A pandemic that delayed the opening of this ride. You all have been extremely patient. We've all been patient. And thanks to wonderful interventions like vaccinations and whatnot, we can open this ride and have a whole lot of fun this spring, this summer, and for many, many years to come. So what we're doing here today is a beautiful day. Daylight savings starts tomorrow. Spring break and summer vacations are just around the corner. The timing of this is absolutely perfect. So I just want to say congratulations to SeaWorld, congratulations to San Diego, and let's get this ride open up. Let's get the people on this ride.
Thank you so much, Mayor Gloria. We appreciate you being here. So not only is this ride the tallest and the fastest ride in California, we named it after the emperor penguin because the emperor penguin is the tallest penguin. It's the biggest penguin in the world. The only place that you can see an emperor penguin up close is right here at SeaWorld San Diego in North America. It's the only place. So be sure to check out Penguin Encounter and you can meet an emperor penguin. This ride is like no other. It has a huge impact on tourism in our city, and I'd like to welcome Kevin Sheeperdecker here so he can talk about that tourism impact.
I won't take more than 15 minutes to talk about this. On behalf of the San Diego Tourism Authority, we are so excited that SeaWorld has opened this amazing ride, doing such great things for our city. Visitors and locals like you make San Diego great, but as the mayor pointed out, the leisure visitors that come and drop their dollars in our city help fund so many things, great roads, jobs, and so many great things. So with this ride coming, it just opens up one more thing to make San Diego such an attractive destination. USA Today named it one of the most anticipated rides in 2022, which I think is very evident. And what it does with the time of this opening right now, right when spring break is upon us, it's just magical. So thank you to all of you for being here. Thank you, SeaWorld, for being such a great partner and making San Diego so great. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thanks, Kevin. Now to tell you more about their work with emperor penguins, Katie Prop, Conservation Education Director from Penguins International. Katie.
Penguins International aims to advance knowledge and understanding of all 18 species of penguins here on planet Earth. And of course, there is only one penguin species that is only found in Antarctica, and that, of course, is the emperor penguin. Scientists estimate there to be around 238,000 breeding pairs that form over 55 emperor penguin colonies in Antarctica. These black and white wonders rely on sea ice for breeding, foraging, and molting. That's, of course, all that shedding of feathers. With our climate warming due to greenhouse gases, the habitat for emperor penguins is being lost. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service is currently reviewing a proposal to list the emperor penguin as threatened under the Endangered Species Act. And we hope that will bring about the change that these birds absolutely need. SeaWorld San Diego, again, is the only place in North America where you can find the emperor penguin. And I hope you get a thrill from seeing those emperor penguins as much as you'll get a thrill on this coaster. Our partnership with SeaWorld San Diego allows us to support penguin research and conservation actions, and we are grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much, Jim. Will you take it away?
Thank you, Katie. We're really happy to be working with you to support your mission. I also want to thank Mayor Gloria for being here, Kathy for being here today. Thank you so much for being part of this great day. And as Erica mentioned a moment ago, after you ride, take a chance to go over and see the emperor penguin. This is the only place in North America where you can see the emperor penguin. So who is ready to ride? All right, if we can have the speakers join me over here at the ribbon, we'll get started.